Let's talk about Arbitrum again, and I think we around the bottom. So it's just my humble opinion, every single time we can drop lower, lower, lower. So market always move up and down, up and down. So we just can build a plan based on our vision of the market, some data, maybe some indicators, based on initiation accumulation pump model. You remember this is a last zone of interest. Under, it's invalidation of idea. Invalidation, it's 10 cents on HTX. It's the lowest price. And if we drop, right, or even without it drops, this level like 27 and 36 will be like resistance and the zone where you need to fix some profit. On the Binance, I guess, there was some huge week. So here, we dump it even to 10 cents. We dump it to 10 cents, 49. But even on the Binance 10 cents, 49, it's not a validation of idea on HTX. If we use the week candle, like you remember, we usually come back and close the 50% of that week. Now we drop it to 0.5, bounce, and now with the body candle close, try and hold the line here. For Arbitrum, I still believe that Arbitrum is one of not so many tokens which can hit the new all-time high. And yes, I'm not talking about a crazy like all-time high over than this week, right? $15 or so. No, it's more like more conservative around the $5. So not that much, over than this high of January 75. Why? Because Arbitrum works pretty good. And we can track the data. So you can find, Arbitrum got a daily active users, 194K. Go and compare the Celestia, 50 active users daily. 50, not a 50K, 50. Celestia. Scroll generated a $200 fee. So here's the revenue of the chain 24 hour, 20K. It's a nice one. Stablecoin total supply, 8.4 billion. What I don't like, it's of course the unlocks, right? And only 53% tokens, 56% tokens in circular supply, and we get a big difference, 50% is between the market capitalization and FDV. This is what I don't like. So definitely. And we get a vesting shuttle, so we still got unlocks, right? Till 2027, some team advisors now can sell their tokens, investors, and definitely they sell. And fundraising rounds for Arbitrum being in zone 19. Imagine before even the COVID dump, they already work on Arbitrum. So I can say this is a successful story, and this is a useful story. Right, because we got a daily active users, and we got a TVL, pretty good one, 2.6 billion. So everything okay, and the dynamic of TVL is going up, so it's good. I'm not a fan of Arbitrum or any other chains or tokens, but this is example. Even if the price going down, the people still use it, right? That's why I like speculation. We definitely can bounce, and you have to build a plan. And for example, if it's comfortable for you to buy 20 cents 48, I would like to show it all, by the way, with indicator set the K points after the pump to this one full fill of gap. This it's around 40 cents. You need to withdraw initial deposit. It will be not a mistake. And after that, you can write to the next point will be 0.571 cent. After that, sweep of this high, $1.24. Zone of fixation swing trades, this block, $1.54, $1.65. And maybe the new all-time high. It's hard to say where because it's just will be the price discovery mode. That's why, guys, can we drop under 10 cents? Yes, of course. It's just a rhetoric question. Just a question what you will do now. For me, personally, Arbitrum looks promising. I can, say Arbitrum for me is like AVAX. Yes, we get a chance to going down in a crazy bear market for the next 3 years? Yes, but it looks promising. It looks promising. So technically, guys, this is a downtrend, and we can see one more low, and I would like to show you how low we can drop and where we can stop. But I think this was a one low. We sweep the liquidity, drop, and now I think will be some consolidation and reversal move. Take a look with the first one, take profit. So on a daily, we dump it and test it almost 2 times, this one for sure. Fundamental value of this token. Buy line test below, it's 25.18. Take profit 50 cents. Weekly, we so underrated. So underrated. So usually when we trade under fundamental value, like this one, it was in February somewhere 5. We drop it down like 1, 2, 3. That's why I think we can drop once again. 1, 2, and maybe gonna be the 3. And reversal move. At least the last time when we traded on the fundamental volume from the bottom, it was approximately bounce, just an average like 155 over the buy line. So now will be absolutely, I think, the same story, or from current prices or from low. If we talk from current prices here, a test below the buy line, it's 41 cents, 100%. So it will be not a mistake to fix a profit. Withdraw initial deposit at least. Take profit line, it's now on the weekly time frame, the lines, like you can see, are dynamic. 81.46, exit line 91.96. You can track everything by yourself. Let's add alerts, guys. Take profit line on the weekly. So I hope we will see this notification not really soon, but as soon as possible. Here's also some alerts what already triggered, even some unrealistic one which we added in videos, for example in summer. So this is a zone where you need to fix some profit, guys. Take a look. Oh, by the way, I would like to show you the 12 time frame. Sometimes it shows you the good entries. So here the buy line on the 12 time frame, now it's 1914. Fundamental value of Arbitrum is 14.25. I'm not touching Arbitrum because for the spot, I'm already enough, right? With the position, I already explained it to you. Maybe today's Monday, maybe by end of Tuesday, because usually, you know, when if we pump it on the weekends, on a Monday it drops, and after that, before the end of United States session in Tuesday or Saturday or Wednesday, you know, we will see the bottom. Maybe that time I will try open some long positions. So also it could be, if we hold a line at the buy line, it makes sense to try open some futures position here. Stop loss like let's say 5%, so 10% was the second leverage stop loss, and the take profit it's 98, so 10% against 200. So it can be the really good trade. 10% against 200% with the second leverage, guys. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good one. Now let's double check the other indicators. ADZ direction. It's accumulation on 12 time frame, daily accumulation, weekly accumulation. So technically, guys, we never seen some crazy distribution. Of course, here was a distribution down. Here was a distribution down. Here was distribution down, but it's not like crazy overbought. You know, now it's crazy oversold with the huge divergence. The divergence will start forming since June 74. Here low 56. Now it's 19. I'm skip and ignore that week candle on the Binance. So it's a yearly divergence, at least monthly for sure. So ADZ is bullish. Direction bullish. Last time when we saw this type of accumulation, it was in May. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks in a row. We got the downtrend, but accumulation, because the whales usually need a time for accumulation, and we bounce it in June. Here was a bounce, this one. So you could accumulate during the right, or buy here, but the risk ratio it's not that good. Here 129 approximately. Once again, it was a logical exit because it was 61 low by FIP, rejection and drop. Now the same story, but it's only 2 weeks in a row accumulation. Daily, here was last time June accumulation. Here is a sell, pump 61 low by FIP. Now we also see the accumulation since November 16. Pretty good one. For me, best case scenario, of course, open long at 10 cents, but I don't think so. We will see that lows. Market mood, guys, daily, it's capitulation bullish, weekly capitulation extra bullish, monthly, this is what I don't like, monthly still a free. That's why, guys, keep in mind scenario so we can see even December, because everybody now waiting the center rally, and I'm also waiting the center rally. And we can see something like this one. I hope not. The liquidation heat map, guys, under is nothing. This is a monthly time frame heat map liquidation. So here, the main K point, it's 25 cents, liquidity pool 25 here. This is a 31. So this is a, for market makers, more logical, of course, to put the price higher now and liquidate that, guys, because they hunt liquidity. They need liquidity. If we use the, let's say, weekly time frame, I guess not big difference will be between the monthly and the weekly here. Under, yes, this is a levels test of the buy line on the 12 time frame. So maybe at 1950, maybe I will try some open low position. The max pain is here, 25 cents. So 25, it's, yes, around here. So honestly, for me, Arbitrum looks bullish, but any token can drop. Money inflow, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, money inflow. Somebody accumulated Arbitrum, at least on SGX. The last one was in March 25. And take a look, if somebody accumulate, it doesn't mean we will see some crazy pumps. First of all, the whales also can make mistakes, right, and can lose the money. But anyway, we can use that data. So now, the last time, March 25, accumulation was at 29, and the price pumped to 62. Pretty good one, but there was also the 2 bullish RSI that were now only the 3 weeks money inflow. Good one. Monthly money inflow was here in April. Now nothing, but it's not a sell off crazy time to sell. Time to sell will be here. Daily, also some money inflow step by step. Here's some accumulation. Here's a 2 days accumulation. Now nothing. So better wait again some money inflow. Let's add alerts also. Arbitrum, money power, money inflow. I will see the alerts. By the way, the last time here, last signal was for immutable X. I added the signal to buy based on trade on indicator in Joule. Imagine Joule, and this indicator triggered alert only in November. So this is how the indicator works. So it's not a random, and you can use that data like additional data for your trades. Daily, it was some intraday trades, but you can see somebody accumulate and trade it. Weekly, so this is what I wish to see. I wish to see some signal to buy, or at least take profit from that sell. Sell was in January 24. Now still no signal to take profit or buy. Let's add alerts also for Arbitrum trade on, take profit. Take profit from the sell. Would be good to see this one. Take profit from the sell will be, for me, like confirmation of the main reversal move. Guys, write please in a comment what do you think about Arbitrum. If you'd like to trade with my customer Chris, I would showed in this video. Just write me DM. Now by end of November, still 1 week ongoing minus 50% deal for the Black Friday full set. And don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.